So in under 10 minutes, on my own, I was able to set this tent up. So in this orange zip here, it's actually the input for a power cord, so 240 or 12 volt. And then up the side of the tent, you'll find these Velcro tabs, where you can run your 240 extension lead or a 12 volt cord all the way up here to a hook where you can hold a light or a fan. So with these dimensions, these are internal dimensions. So on the outside you've got two windows. You can have them rolled up or you can have them down. You pull these zips down. And at the base of the window there's actually a loop. You put string through. You can actually peg out the window to allow ventilation through. Alright, so for this test, 20 minutes of heavy rain simulation. There's not one drop inside the actual tent itself.